Hey, if you wonder if you can actually connect your external disk, external storage into your Realme 10, yes, you can do this. But first, you'll have to navigate into the settings, and you will have to click on the search pool and type OTG, select the OTG connection, and then click on this switcher to turn it on. And next, let's say that is my disk, and now you will have to use adapter if you don't have the USB-C end, like in my case. But if you have the USB-C cable connected into your external disk, you will be able to connect it straight into the USB-C port. But in my case, I have to get this USB-C and the USB-A adapter. I have to plug it right here, and then the second end for sure I have to connect into my Realme 10. So just like this. And now this notification will pop with the files, and here I can open it and store it and store something on my external memory. So that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.